Bailey Girth started her SAE in small animal production 4 years ago with 2 rabbits. She now owns over 25 rabbits and raises quality Dutch, mini satin, and New Zealand show rabbits. Her favorite part of her SAE is working with new people and helping younger kids with their rabbit projects. Bailey is a member of the Branch Area Careers Center FFA chapter, and her advisors are Allie Basage and Carrie Preston. Congratulations, Bailey!